Hello guys, see. Where are you going? Where? See the smallest one puppy. Where are you going? What? They know me. They all know me. Now they are going to follow me. And one is here. See, you go with me. Where are you going? Let's see. Where are you going? See where they are going. Where are you going? Where? Tell me, where are you going? Where? There is these three puppies here. Where they are going? I don't know. They know that I'm staying here. Let me go inside, okay? Bring something for you, okay? Okay. See. I'm coming. See. She already came inside. And they are outside. Now you wait. What happened? What happened? What is that on you? What is that? Where? There's something on? No. There's nothing, no? Okay, hold on now. See? I'll give one biscuit to them, okay? Wait for me here, okay? Wait here. You don't have to come out. Wait here. I'll give biscuit for them. They are waiting for me. One bigger one is also there. So go now. Go. Okay. Bye bye. Guys, please do subscribe my channel, please, and hit the like button. Share the video. It's coming also out. Let's go. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Thank you. Please do subscribe my channel. Do share the video. Hit the like button. And thank you for watching. See you in next video. So bye bye. But take care now. Help animals. Bye.